Hi there, how are you? Today we are going to look at Let's Spend the Night Together by the Rolling Stones. I've arranged the verse so you're able to play the piano riff at the same time. Let's get into it. See you soon. Hi there, my name's Simon. Thanks very much for watching the video. To get more videos like this, there's currently over 400 videos on my channel. Just subscribe and make sure to click the bell and you will get a notification when there is a new one. And there is a new one every Saturday and every Tuesday. Right, so let's learn this song by the Rolling Stones. We kick off with that melody riff. Okay, so now the guitar doesn't strictly play that. What the guitar plays underneath is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So we've got a 5 on the A string and a 7 on the D string. That makes your D5 chord. So we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. If you're struggling with the rhythm there, just get used to playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, because we're going to be using this rhythm throughout the whole song. So what I'm kind of doing is making sure that the beat 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 is kind of a bit stronger, and then you just kind of bounce on the and. So you get this 1, 2, 3, I'm exaggerating a little bit here, but you get this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? Now you're going to play that rhythm throughout the whole song really. So you get this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And if this was too stretchy, you could probably just leave it out. I'm sure Keith is not going to come around your house and tell you off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, to put that little finger in underneath, this note here is a B note. And what you'll notice in the melody, when it hits a B in the melody, that note there, it's the same time that it goes to, whoops, goes to there. So, and on the way down, it catches the B as well. So you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? Now, what I played at the beginning of the video is basically the same thing, except I'm going all the way up to C here, which is, you could do it there, it's just a bit stretchier. Okay? So what I'm playing is, first we've got 2 Ds only, 1 and the melody actually starts on the 2 of the bar. So you get 1 and 2 and 3 and, right, there's that 3 and, 1 and 2 and then we're going to go to and on the 4. So we can just keep that going, right, like a pedal note, right? That way you can get the melody and the chord all at the same time. That is the intro. We basically play 4 bars of that D7 and then we get a bar of G and then a bar of B minor with an F sharp bass and then back into our, okay, same riff that we had before on the 3.5 and the 3 with that B in sort of bars 1 and 2 if you like. All right, then the verse kicks off and we basically have G, B minor with an F sharp bass and D7, 2 bars of, and we have that twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then we're going to move into C. Before we start that, I should say that we're going to move more into a sort of standard rock and roll thing here where he hits the stretchy note. The 6 is of the chord, it's an A. On the 2 and the 4. So you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 a D7. Sorry, D5 rather. 2, 3, 4, okay? So those first 4 bars in this section of the verse are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, G, D. Second time round, C, and then we go straight to B. 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. And then the chorus comes and we get this. So basically it plays exactly that same thing again, and then we're going to get around into the bridge. So, and it kind of comes down, the song comes down, and he just plays on the 1, and that rings for 2 bars. So we get that G, 2, there, 1, C, 3, 4, do, 3, G, 4, da da ba bum bum baby, and then the band comes back in. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then we move up to a D. We get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And we sit on that D until we go all the way back to the front of the chart, where we're basically playing G, B minor over F sharp, D7, and then we play another verse until you hit the coda. Okay, and then in the coda, we're just going to play G, B minor over F sharp, and then D7, exactly like we had before. So we're going to have that 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah? Or, you know, you could play that riff down there. So 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. F sharp, riff, G, B minor, D. Okay, that is how you play Let's Spend the Night Together by the Rolling Stones. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope it helped. If you have any questions at all, just put them in the comments and I promise to answer. If you would like the chart, let me know and I'll send it over to you. If you could subscribe, give this video a like, that would be awesome. Click the bell. There is a new video every Saturday and every Tuesday. In addition, if you are able to support the channel, that would be terrific. Plans start from as little as $3 a month. The address is just here. It's www.patreon.com/Simon Morell. So thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.